Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. I'm presenting my clone website of Shine.com. Shine.com is the most innovative and second largest online job portal in India. Founded in 2008, Shine.com connects the job seekers and the recruiters by accurately matching the job profile to the relevant job openings. The tech stacks used are Create React app, Chakra UI, Swiper React.js. This is the landing page of my website that I have cloned. On the top section, you can see the download app for employers and help section. On clicking download app, you can see there is a popover showing the details of that section. Here there are two buttons that will take you to the Google Play Store and the Apple Play Store. And on going to the bell icon, call icon, you can see there is a, tool tip which is showing the call number of our customer care. Coming to the search section, you can see that on clicking the search section, there will be a modal opening which I have used using Chakra UI. On clicking search, you will be seeing this form, and here you can see related to job, skills, location, experience, and filling all the details. And on clicking search job, this will take you to the search job section. This is the navbar section of on the right section of the search bar. You can see there is a notification bell icon, the card section, and the profile section. On clicking notification icon, you can see there will be a popover of opening which will show you there is no notification. And on clicking profile section, you can see that hello user, new to Shine. There is an option of register, and there is an option of login also. uh, there are some images also. I have used this carousel effect with Swiper.js. On scrolling down, you can see that there are various companies listed, top hiring companies also, and there is a job section. In job section, you can see that there is an early applicant, remote jobs, and walk-in jobs. Here, there are various jobs listed here. You can see by carousel effect, you can swipe and see the various jobs of uh, job section, remote job, walking jobs. On scrolling down, you can see that search your, and on clicking create your profile, this will take you to the registration section. uh, on scrolling down, you can see that there are also various uh, roles and careers related options are provided here. You can explore your dream career of your jobs. Explore our premium service. Here you can see that application highlighter, feature profile, application booster. On swiping, you can see this carousel effect is done by Swiper.js. Similarly, for popular courses, you can see popular courses here listed, and with Swiper, I have used this carousel effect. And similarly, for latest from our blog will also work with left and right button. This will swipe to the right, and this will swipe to the left. And here also I have added the footer section, and on footer section you can see that there is a help chat section. On clicking help chat section, there a drawer will open on the right side of the screen. You can type your message here and get had faster with Shine. So profile section, on clicking profile section, you will be seeing two buttons, register and login. On clicking register button, you will be taken to the register section. This is the registration form. You can see on the top section there is a shine logo and there is a login option. uh, you have to create your profile by entering your name, email id and mobile number and password. This is a checkbox. On clicking checkbox and on continue, this will create your account, and you can also register with us using Google, LinkedIn and Facebook. So I'll be clicking on continue. This will on the bottom you can see that there is a that account created. We have created your account for you. Enter your login credential. So I'll be entering my login credential on the login section. On the login section you can see that you are having options of email id, password which you have used during the registration, and there is a login button, and you can log in via otp also. You can enter your otp. uh, you can enter your otp here also. So I'll be entering my email address and password. Keep me signed in, and on clicking login you can see that there is a alert option also showing that account logged in. We have logged into your account. On clicking OK, this will take you to the uh, home page. I'll be searching from search bar. You can see on searching there is a modal form opening. So I'll be searching senior analytics location, suppose Noida, experience 1 year. So on clicking search job, this will take you to the details of that job. Uh, on the top section, you can see that there is a nav bar search section also. There are the job listed counts showing. You can see that there is a filter option via location, experience, salary, and more filters. On clicking more filters, you will be seeing sort and filters via sort by relevance and freshness, location, experience, salary, department, company, interview type, job type. And here it is also showing the input section of search location. You can search via search location. uh, this is the experience on suppose you will be this is a checkbox, and on showing result, you will be taken to the that job section. You can see that this is the details of the job which I have searched. Senior applicant analytics, company is a Genpact, location Noida, experience is 0 to 4 years. And here you can see that buttons, share button and similar jobs. And on scrolling down you can see that for that job you will be seeing job details, key skills, what are the key skills, recruiter details, company details and other details. On scrolling down you can see the full details of the job. You can see here what should be your background highlights, and what are the key skills that the company is requiring, what are the details of the recruiters, what are the company details. And here also on the bottom section I have added footer, and similarly the chat, help chat. On clicking that, draw will open, and from here you can get hard with fast with shine. So these are the details related to the details of the job section. And on clicking this shine logo, this will take you to the home page. My website which I have created using React. Happy to hear the feedback from you all. Thank you so much.